What's going on, guys? So, I've been trying to get the audio for my Fortnite videos and my desktop videos right. I think I finally figured it out. Um, what I have to do is come to settings, and I made a rookie mistake on this. You're going to go down to audio and make sure your source is right. It was going off my headphones. Even though I didn't have my headphones plugged in, what it was doing was actually going off my laptop's internal mic. And it was making the audio sound terrible. And I was like, what in the world is going on? And that ended up being what it was. So, if you're having any issues with your audio with your HyperX or Nvidia Experience, make sure you're actually on the right microphone. Because even though in the computer settings I have the right microphone and in Fortnite I have the right microphone, when it came to recording with the Nvidia Experience, I did not have the right microphone, and it threw it all for a loop. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If this video helped you out, please subscribe and leave a like. It really helps the channel out. We're trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I don't think we're going to get it by a couple hundred, but it's okay. We'll get there eventually.